In our kitchen we have these 3 bayonet lights over the island bench, and the plan has always been to upgrade them. When we had the house built, we paid for the cheapest lights, so long as they were in the right place, as it was going to work out much cheaper to upgrade it after handover. So let's check it out. These lights were purchased at Beacon Lighting for around $150 each. They have a 270mm matte black shade with black cabling and an ash wooden finial that suits the aesthetics of our house. I made sure to isolate the lighting circuitry before starting. First I took out the bulbs, then disassembled the bayonet style fittings. Luckily, there is enough excess cabling that I can easily pull the loom through the ceiling for connecting up the new lights. I had a look at the cabling connections that came with the pendant lights, and to me they looked a bit small. I chose to remove them in favour of blue points. There was heaps of excess cable, so you just have to loosen off the grub screw and adjust it. Then I used a few boxes stacked up so I wouldn't have to support the weight of the shade while connecting the cable. Then I ran into a small problem. One of the lights was missing the ceiling bracket, so I made my own. Now I could connect and hang the lights. The cover screws over top of the ceiling bracket, hiding the connections and fastenings. I pretty much just repeated these steps until all 3 lights were up, and I made sure they were all the same length. Finally, we can turn the lighting circuit back on and add some bulbs. These are the warm white bulbs, and these are the cool white. We're not too sure which ones we'll use yet. The cool white ones make working in the kitchen really easy though, but they are a bit bright. Let me know in the comments which ones you guys prefer, warm or cool white. Anyway, cheers for watching another one of these mini jobs. I'll see you guys on the next one.